Hello guys, welcome back to the video of Be Rich podcast. Today also I'm with Albin bro. Today we are going to talk about something everyone is curious to what to say. No, these times like the market is going higher and higher every day. So you have to ask why is the market is going high, and we are also going to talk about some videos that Anand said that previous week that says that most of the predicted stocks that Anand said predicted stocks told you to consider made a profit gain of around 200%, 300%. So we are going to ask him how Anand sir is picking the stocks. So these are all the contents will be there in this video. Don't miss the full video. Okay. Welcome, bro.
Yes.
Bro, today also I'm going to ask you a question. That is, market is going higher and higher day by day. It is seem to be in bull run. So why it is happening? What are all the things that making the Indian market to go higher and higher? Because everywhere the market is having some corrections or some of that. And nowadays FI is more interested in investing in Indian markets. So what are the things that is happening in Indian market that we don't know?
Okay, so everyone knowing this fact that some 2 to 3 weeks back, okay, Jerome Powell, the Fed chairman, what he said was like next year you can expect like some 0.75 to 1% correction in the Fed rate because our interest rates were kept like 5 to 5.25%, and this measure has curbed inflation to a bit.
Okay,
it has not crossed the warning level. Okay, so it is within their range only. So what he said, like next year in this month there will be like 3 times rate cuts. Okay, this single announcement has propelled the market. On one single day the bank Nifty went up by 600 points and Nifty went up by 250 points, and that winning streak has not ended till date. Only in one single day, on last Monday, I guess, in the afternoon session, market corrected by some 300 points only.
Yes.
And everyone were like, bro, why my portfolio is in red? What happened? What happened suddenly? Till 1 o'clock, it was good. After 1 o'clock, what happened? Okay. The market just went down because of the FIA. There must be a bulk deal that has happened on Monday after 1 p.m. which was not compensated by a DIA purchase. Only on the next day, the DIA have stepped in and they have purchased the stock, and the market went up again. So what is the reason behind the winning streak of the market? What is the reason behind the bull run is, first thing, Jerome Powell's announcement.
Okay.
Second one is the Indian market is a bit attractive than any other emerging markets. That is the main quote that each and every analyst across the globe is telling. Okay, there are a lot of funds in the US and in the European market, like emerging market funds.
Okay.
And what these analysts are doing is they are pulling out money from the Chinese market and they're pumping it into Indian markets.
Okay.
Okay, because China is already in the phase of recession. Germany is already into recession. UK, the analysts are saying it's also in recession. And US, it might enter or it might not enter.
So India is the safest option they have.
India is a better option, not the safest. Not safest. It's already overrated. For us, it's overrated right now. But then it's not the safest. It is a better option, slightly better than other markets. Okay, that's why Indian market has reached 5th position. First is US in terms of global share. First is US with 46% of global share. Next is the European market. Next is Tokyo market. 4th one is Chinese market, and 5th one is our market.
India market.
Okay, so we have entered the top 5 club in terms of global share. Okay, in terms of global market share, we have reached top 5 position. The reason is FIA buying.
Okay.
FIA, they are pumping in a lot of money. That in the last calendar year, they have pumped in nearly 12% on a year-on-year basis.
Okay.
Okay, that's another reason. Third reason is a lot of retail investors are entering into Indian markets. Say it for IPO or any other thing, even in mutual funds, SIPs. They are entering into market and they are pumping in a lot of funds, because previous year it was like less than 2% of Indians have a demat account. In that, less than 10% accounts are active. That was the situation that was in the last year. Okay, because during pandemic, every stock crashed and many were doing futures and options. It's just a betting game. Okay, derivatives. And only those who are having access to algorithms will be successful in F&O. And others who are making profits, it's just on a pure luck basis, not on an analytical matter. So even the SEBI has disclosed like out of 10 people who are playing F&O, only 1 will win. Others 9 will lose. Okay, so persons who are badly hit in this F&O market, they are never coming back to stock market at all. They're not investing in stocks. But the thing is changing right now. The age group between 25 to 35, they are trying to sip a lot. They're trying to invest in passive mutual funds. They're trying to sip into active mutual funds. And now they are buying a lot of gold piece because physical gold rates is like 5,900 per gram plus making charges plus GST. But then gold bees doesn't have these extra charges. So it's okay for them. And now only they are getting to know about the benefits of gold bees, how liquid it is, how safe it is. Okay, so markets are pumped in by these three factors mainly, according to my opinion.
Okay. As you told your opinions about the first question, now my second question is that previous week, that what Anand Sir and Vinod Sir did a video of what are all the stocks he told to consider in the beginning of 2023 that made a huge profit. So, how Anand Sir is picking those stocks? How he knows well about that?
Companies. Okay. So, first of all, Anand Sir used to see the fundamentals rather than the technicals. Okay. First of all, our subscribers or the viewers who are watching the video, what they are trying to do is they are trying to look into the current market price and they are just moving to P by E ratio. They are looking into debt. They are looking into promoters like that. Okay, that's all fine. But after that, what they are doing is they are going into ROCE, ROE, what's the profit, what's the sales. They're going by the finance. But what they have to do is, after looking into the primary valuations, we also look into the primary valuations first, then only we'll venture into the company. Fine. So their market cap is very important, first of all, whether micro cap or a small cap or a medium or large cap. First segregation is with market cap. Then what is their high and low prices? Okay, how much volatile it is. Okay, we used to see like alpha, beta and all. That's a more technical thing. After that, what we'll be looking at is price to earnings ratio. Then price to book. Then debt to equity. Everything is okay. These are all basic stuffs. Okay, before going into balance sheets, before going into the cash flows, first basic investor has to understand what type of business they are doing. Okay, what is the company doing first? Is it a product-based company or a service-based company? They must be looking into each and every aspect of the operations, like starting from a raw material till the end product. If it's going to be a product industry, if it's going to be a service industry for IT and all, what are services they are offering? Whether the clients are domestic clients or international clients, whether they are earning in rupee or whether they are earning in dollars. Who are all the management people? Are the founders still owning the business or who is the promoter? What are the setbacks that's happening in the company? Okay, not only the company, the entire industry, because certain industries are facing a lot of setbacks in these times. For example, rice industry is in a setback because of carbon export of rices. So basmati rice industry is in setback. Other thing is sugar industry. Sugar industry is also facing a setback. And other thing is paints industry is also facing a setback. So these industry-wise, these things are facing a setback and we must have good knowledge about what are all things they are doing first. Then we have to look into the founders or the promoters. Then we have to look into the management first. If the management is ethical, if the management is trustable, if the company is good, then we can look into the finances. Then we can enter into cash flows first. Because cash flow is where people used to manipulate things. We can inflate and deflate anything in cash flows. So first we have to enter into cash flow. Then we have to go to their P&L. What are the sales? What are the expenses? How they are apportioning their costs and all. So are they cost effective? What are all gaps they have? Then we can go into balance sheets. So but our subscribers, what they are doing is they are looking into the finances. They are not worried about fundamentals. So what Anand Sir has predicted last year is first, as a weightage of nearly 70% weightage will be for fundamentals. Because if at all ITC corrects, he will be happy. If at all Tata Motors corrects, and today Tata Motors DVR has cost 500 rupees. When we are recording this video, the DVR has crossed 500 rupees, which we have bet for 35 rupees. So if it's going to come down by 300 rupees or 400 rupees, we'll be happy. We'll be buying it again because we know about Tata Motors. We know about ITC. We know about Tangamail. So major things that Anand Sir has to consider was based on fundamentals and not technicals. First, the fundamentals, and next thing is their valuation. Valuations is very much important. And Anand Sir used to tell Tata Consumers, it's a diamond pin. Titan, it's a diamond pin. But Dr. Reddy, even if it's trading at 5,800, it's not a thing. Its valuation is the cheapest in pharmaceutical industry. Natco is the cheapest. Next is Dr. Reddy. So first, look into the business, look into the promoter, the management, how they are running the business, their revenue stream. A lot of things are there. First, have an idea about the fundamentals, then move on to the technicals, and you will be able to get a good stock.
So these are all the things that Anand Sir is
and these are all the main things
doing.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay. So hope you guys enjoy this video and you guys came to know that what are all the things that Anand says sees in a stock. So after seeing this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please do hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.
Thank you.